Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 geography chapter 2 motion of earth. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the videos. Please comment in the comment section and tell me whether these videos are helpful to you or not. And if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. So let's start. First question is, the earth has dash types of motion. Answer is 2. Earth has 2 types of motion. Next question is, the period of rotation is known as the dash. Answer is Earth Day. Next question is, the circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called the dash. Answer is circle of illumination. Next question is, there are days and nights due to dash of earth. Answer is rotation, due to rotation of earth. Next question is, changes in seasons are result of dash of earth. Answer is revolution. Next question is, the daily motion of the earth is dash. Answer is rotation. Daily motion is rotation. Next question is, a leap year has dash number of days. Answer is 366 days in a year. Next question is, the earth travels around the sun in dash orbit. Answer is elliptical orbit. Next question is, the sun's rays falls vertically on the tropic of dash on 21st June. Answer is Cancer, tropic of Cancer. Next question is, days are shorter during dash season. Answer is winter, during winter season. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and relatives.